There's only one vehicle that blends classic style and modern design to create the next generation of an icon. Take a look at this 2021 Dodge Durango GT Blacktop in Vice White. With HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 20-inch aluminum wheels, blacktop package, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 32,000 miles on the odometer, 10.1-inch touchscreen, navigation, 9 Alpine amplified speakers with subwoofer, heated rear seats, power sunroof, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at MarinoCJD.com, stock number D7369.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.